Hey guys, welcome back to Vendify. Today we will discuss about a very interesting topic, that how a vending machine can play a significant role in empowering women. So let's start. Vending machine can play a significant part in the life of a woman. How? Even in the 21st century, women are hesitant to go to schools and colleges once they start menstruating, because many women face extreme hassle when they get their periods at the workforce and they are not prepared for the same, which results in the shortening of attendance, be it in school, colleges, or offices as well. But in this situation, installing a sanitary vending machine within school, colleges, offices, airports, railways, public toilets, bus stand not only improve girls' enrollment ratio, their productivity, but also the taboo associated with menstruation. Firstly, we'll let you know the things that need to be considered by the operator of the machines before installing it, to find an appropriate location which can increase sales inevitably, whereas choosing the wrong location can kill all the possibilities. Second is to ensure regular refills, which makes it stocked up all the time to ensure reliability and trust in the machines. Third is the quality of the napkins, because if women are not taking it from the machine because of the quality issue, then the entire purpose will collapse. Now let's understand how vending machine can dispense sanitary napkins in just a click. First step is to make the selection from the display screen and the quantity. Second step is to insert currency notes or coins if the machine is non-smart, or to make the UPI payments, which makes the process very easy and fast. And then payment option will appear on your mobile screen. Let's suppose you choose to pay via UPI, a scanner will appear on your mobile screen and then you have to scan it via Paytm. This process is very easy and handy, and that is what Vendify is providing to its customer, a solution that makes the vending process simple. Third step, the item selected will be dispensed and you can pick it up. That's all. Yes, this process is so simple that it is a matter of a few seconds. Installing these machines are comparatively easier as compared to any other regular beverage vending machine, as those machines are of large size and which requires good amount of space. But sanitary napkins, on other hand, are lean, compact, and doesn't require much of the space, which ultimately makes it very convenient for the operator to install it in areas which are smaller in size. For example, washrooms at the bus station or railway station. But how these vending machines will help women? Privacy. These machines will make it very convenient for women to go confidently and dispense the napkins as per the requirement without anybody knowing about it. Ease of access. Readily available napkins help women to go anywhere without any worry. Breaking the taboo. The vending machines can bring more normalized acceptance towards the menstruation. I hope you like this video. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vendify. See you in the next video. Bye bye.